El Nido tour gathers several inland destinations to do in one day. It's an inland tour where you will stop at Nacpan Beach and Nagkalit-Kalit Waterfalls.
Çok zorlu yollardan şelaleye doğru gidiyoruz. Nasıl bir şelale çıkacak bakalım.
The Nagkalit-Kalit Waterfalls, located between Nacpan Beach and El Nido proper town. It's popular stop among the inland tours.
Burada ekinli ağaçlar var galiba.
The waterfalls are accessible by foot from the main road going to Bukulu and Nacpan. There is a 20 to 45 minutes walk to get there. You'll get through the forest and will have a few rivers to cross before arriving to the waterfalls themselves.
Go. Yeah. Time to eat. Nice meeting you. Evet arkadaşlar, çok güzel bir şelaleye rastladık. Filipinler'de keşif gezisine çıktık ormanda. Gayet güzel bir yer. Karış karış deniziyle, doğasıyla, ormanıyla her yeri keşfediyoruz.
Doğal güzellikte bir havuz. Şimdi birazdan içinde yüzeceğiz.
On our way back from the waterfall, we walked a very beautiful green road full of coconut that fell from the trees. Nacpan Beach had a long and wide beach. It was also pretty worthy. It's like a good place to surfing. Its beauty in fact has taken the world's center stage after it has been recognized as the 10th most beautiful beach in the world by TripAdvisor. From the 4-kilometer stretch of cream-colored sand, hundreds of swaying coconut trees, a fishing village, clear echo water with small surfable waves, it's the kind of paradise you've imagined. Nacpan Beach certainly does not disappoint. What travelers love about Nacpan Beach is that it doesn't get too crowded. And if you're lucky, you can have the beach all to yourself. The area right behind is full of palm trees and is fine for taking beautiful pictures. While watching the beautiful sunset, a poor piggy tied to a tree was screaming incessantly.